In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can add a new learner to your course so that they don't have to go through your payment system here. I mean, a lot of times as a course creator, you want to give friends or family access for free, or you want to have some friends or colleagues review your course, give you feedback, and obviously you don't want to have to make them pay for that. So the easiest way to do it is simply to go into the back end of Alish. Once you're in your dashboard here in Alish, just go down to the Learners area, and then you'll see the Add Learner button. You're just going to put in their name. Oops, let's do this one. And an email address that works for them. You don't have to choose a profile picture, but they can do that later. And select the course you want to enroll them in. Once you've done that, it's important to click the Save button. Now they're going to get an email invitation for the course. And I can see it just landed here. Welcome to the course name. And then you'll see just a nice notification letting you know that you have been enrolled and how to access the course. Now, if they want to access the course, they simply need to go to the course. And again, they can just log in now. They can bypass that price requirement and just put in their email address. They will be asked to put in a login code. They can just go back to their email, wait for the code to show up, which usually comes very quickly, and there they go. They can just grab this, copy and paste that into their course, and they're logged in. So that's the process. As always, let us know if you have any questions.